In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted highlights and featured collection on Facebook app. If you accidentally removed a highlight or a featured collection from your profile, don't worry, you can rebuild it using your story archive. This process won't recover the old collection itself, but it lets you recreate it with the same stories, cover and name so your profile looks the way you want. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account where the highlight originally lived, especially if you manage more than one profile. From there, go to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture or your name from the main feed, which takes you straight to your personal page. Now scroll down until you see the featured section. On Facebook, this is where your curated story highlights live. It may appear a little below your bio and photos. Tap Add New to begin creating a new featured collection. This is the entry point for rebuilding what you deleted. You'll be taken to your story archive. The archive automatically saves your past stories after they expire, unless you turn the archive off. Select the stories you want to include in your highlight. You can pick one or many, and this is your chance to replicate what you had before. If a story isn't in the archive, it can't be added here, so choose the closest matches you have available. When you've made your selections, tap Next. You'll now choose a cover image. The cover is what people see first in your featured row, so pick something eye-catching and relevant. You can often reposition or crop the cover so it frames your subject nicely. A clear, bright image helps your collection stand out. Next, enter a name for the highlight. Use a short descriptive title so visitors immediately understand what the collection is about. Think event names, trip destinations, or themes. Keep it consistent with your other highlights if you're rebuilding a set. Finally, click Save once you're done. Your new collection will appear in the featured section of your profile. If you'd like to refine it later, you can edit the collection to update the cover, rename it, or remove and add stories as needed. Keep in mind that the visibility of featured collections follows your profile settings, so review your privacy preferences if you want broader or more limited reach. That's it, with just a few taps, you've effectively restored your deleted highlight by recreating it from your story archive and brought your featured section back to life.